In this video, I'll show you how to prevent people from taking screenshots of your WhatsApp profile picture. It's a very simple method and it works exactly the same whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or Samsung. The principle is identical across all devices. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Step 2. Go to Settings. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Tap on the Settings tab, usually the gear icon at the bottom right. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Privacy. Step 4. Select Profile Photo. Under the Privacy settings, tap on Profile Photo. Step 5. Choose who can see your profile photo. You'll see several options for who can view your profile picture. Anyone on WhatsApp can see your photo. My Contacts, only people saved in your phone's contacts can see it. No one can see your profile photo. For maximum privacy and security, I recommend selecting My Contacts. This ensures that only people you know and have saved in your phone can view your profile picture. WhatsApp's built-in screenshot protection. WhatsApp has a native security feature that automatically blocks screenshots of profile pictures. Whether someone tries to take a screenshot directly or zooms in on the image, they will only see a black screen instead of your photo. This protection is automatic and cannot be disabled. That's it. By setting your profile picture to My Contacts, you ensure that only people you know can see it. And even if they try to screenshot it, WhatsApp security will block them. If this tutorial helped you protect your privacy, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.